welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. All things are possible to him who believes. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 133, Nasdaq up 9, S&P's up 7.5, gold contract down $5.60, traded at $1,132 an ounce. Silver up 3 cents at $15.19 an ounce. Platinum down $9, trading at $9.71 an ounce. Copper flat at $2.38 a pound. Light sweet crude up $1.80 at $46.82 a barrel. Bonds 10-year down 18 ticks, 127.13, 30 off 2 full points and 3 ticks, 153.21. They both are backing down with lighter volume after going up Thursday and Friday, folks, with conviction. King dollar up 1,024 ticks, 96.02. We'll get back to that one. Euro down 105 at 111, and the yen is trading up 58 at 120.56. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. We'll go over to the SPY first. We take a look at the SPY. The SPY is trading out at 196.62. You've been as high as 197. You get volume here of 76 million. We came downtown on Friday, folks, with 233. You get a small ABC happening. I suspect what you're actually even going to see coming into this next hour, we've had one sell-off where the SPY, the S&Ps, went from 197 down to 195. You did the counter trend bounce up here. I expect we're going to be right back inside somewhere down about the 195.66, which is, that'll put it up by maybe 15 cents. The NDX 100, the 3 Qs. What do you have with the 3 Qs? Same type of setup. Intraday, you had a nice little sell down. Right now, you get a flat market in the Qs. We're up 45 cents. The high of today was 106.55, low 104. You come down Friday with 48 million. You're going up with 28. That's a structure that wants to go to lower price. We look at the IWM. What do you have with the small caps? Small caps. Small caps are trading out at 115.86. You reached a high up here today of 117.30. Couldn't handle the high of 24 million shares versus 42 million. And I suspect what you're going to see inside these small caps also, you're going to see a bit more selling pressure as we get into the close out here today. Now, the IBB for the NASDAQ is the culprit, folks. When this baby goes south, man, does it like to go south. You get volume exploding out of the IBB. That's the NASDAQ Biotech Index. Down $14 right now, 4.4 million shares traded. Tried to get higher last Thursday with 2.2 million. And what the Biotech Index has done is that you are right back into the trading from the 24th of August. Now, we'll see where we close out. We got to 337. The top of August 24th, folks, is 340.23. We had come down there with 4.8 million shares. You've already done 4.4 million. That is saying that the IBB wants lower price. You've done two different things there. You've come down, you have volume expanding as you come down, and you're into the bar. Big numbers. We're going to take a look at what the strength is versus the weakness in this market right now, and you can expect more volatility as we come into this close. It's going to be a fun close. If we take a look at the Dow Industrials, the strength inside the Dow Industrials out here today is Microsoft. That's up 88 cents. Visa is up 118. You have Big Blue up 226. Apple is up 176. Taken away from it on the way down. Now, what was so intriguing this morning is that even when the Dow Industrials were up $1.30 to $1.50, there was only one stock, and it was Merck. That was down. That being said, you can see that you had 29 stocks up, and we weren't up. We're only up 1%. That's always a problem, folks. Bottom line is that we should have been up a lot higher than that. Well, all what it means is this. It specifically means stocks are up 5 or 10 cents. That's what it means. Merck is taken away from the Dow Industrials. That's down $1.15. You get Pfizer off 45 cents, and you get Johnson & Johnson down 19 cents. Those are the only three stocks that are negative inside the Dow Industrials. We go inside the NDX 100. You have Adobe up 241. That's putting strength inside the NDX 100. Dish Networks is number 2. Strength-wise, up 152. Micron is up 34, and Microsoft is up 91. Taken away from it, on the way down, we got BioMolyn, that's down 776 at 122. Biogen is off $17.56 at 297. Vertex Pharmaceuticals off $5 at 118. And you got Lam Research down 289. Some of the higher volume stocks in this low volume market out here. You have Bank of America up 15, Weatherford International's down 140. You get Facebook up 160, Netflix is down 209. Let's go over to Netflix for a second. Netflix is also NFLX. It's having a hard time staying out of the August 24th level. The longer that equities stay in the trading bar of the August 24th level, the higher probability, folks, is that you're going to go to the bottom of not necessarily the 24th, but of the 25th. You have, right now, Netflix is at 100.56. The high of the 24th was 109. The low of that is 85. Netflix is going to be going after at least the 93.55 area. So we'll see how that shakes out, but it looks like that little baby does want to get into that area. Some of the Dow stocks out here, you get Marbell up 6 cents, you get the ExxonMobil up 81. If we go take a look at the oil market out here, the light sweet crude is up $1.67. Okay. Okay, so we have 300. Pretty decent, actually. Okay, so we have 306,000 contracts. That's not bad. Okay, so what you have, and this correlation is interesting because this correlation definitely was changed since the morning to right now. So what you have is this: you have 306,000 contracts. Your last swing point up here, this small swing point that was established last Thursday rather, has 222. So this very well could try to first test 48.07, and right now the high of today was 47.02. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow is up 141. Nasdaq's up 12. S&Ps are up 8.5. We'll be right back.